followed it up beautifully. Again, 145 k's per hour. That's livening things up here in Benoni.
Very accurate bouncer. It's one thing bowling a bouncer, it's another thing getting it in the right place. That was perfect. If you sit the batsman on his bottom, you know you've got the line right.
First ball, 2 slips. Need to watch this carefully, see how this track behaves. Good morning, Kepler Vessels.
Morning, Michael. Only the second time they've played on this pitch.
He's someone who certainly needs some work. One of those guys who finds it quite difficult to come off the bench and play after not being active for a while.
One or the other.
Wow, that is a beauty. Quality stuff from Steyn.
I'm afraid getting...
Just 1 off 4 balls so far in this over from Steyn. Pressure's bound to be mounting a bit for Misbah, but he absorbs it well.
In various parts of the series. But I think where you're right is if it was around about the 250, 260 mark, I think Pakistan would have been favourites. And it is a real specialised position. He took a lovely catch at short mid-wicket earlier on, Hashim Amla, but this one's
the time if you a top slip fielder at international level. Nasty.
And not expected to score runs, Mohammad Irfan, but he's created problems for the South African top order whenever he's bowled. Morne Morkel in his first couple of overs this morning got some serious bounce, some steep bounce. There is a little bit of pace and bounce in this surface. Yes, it is inconsistent, but Irfan could prove problematic if he gets it in the right area early on.
Well, again, Steyn doing well, bowling at the body. Irfan doing just enough to survive. 49 gone, 205 for 9. So the last over, Morne Morkel is going to bowl it.